Number 6, silos have a different speed. Let me tell you a story. One of my teams built an excellent continuous delivery system. They basically could deliver to production at will by pushing a button. The problem was that the legal and governance folks insisted on having at least a week in advance to check whether that would be okay, what they would want to push to production. And it was a hard negotiation to actually get into this 1 week slot. Originally, they wanted to have 2 weeks for that. Now imagine Amazon is delivering new code to production environments every minute in its empire of applications that they're running. Think about how a legal organization will be able to check what the teams are doing at this pace. It's practically impossible. And this is the whole idea behind it. You need to trust the teams that they get the job right, that they understand accountability on their side also, that they are aware of the legal requirements and that they take them into consideration appropriately in advance. So if you notice that your organization is moving at different speeds, that part of your organizations are moving at different speeds, and the slowest silo, so to speak, determines the speed of the convoy of the organization, then something is really, really not working out right. That should be addressed by the higher management levels. Funny thing is, the legal folks always have this idea of, okay, we need to check what you're here delivering here, which is quite simple if you try to understand how a new terms and condition page is working, but they basically cannot understand the new trading algorithms for derivatives, right? So silos and different speeds.